Have you ever walked into a beautifully decorated home and wondered how they did it? Well, wonder no more. We've compiled a list of 10 tips and tricks that professional designers use to create stunning spaces. Your home is your sanctuary, and it should be a reflection of your style and personality. With these tips, you'll be able to transform any space into a place you'll love coming home to. From choosing the right color scheme to creating a focal point, these tips will help you elevate your home decor game and turn your space into a Pinterest-worthy masterpiece. Whether you're on a budget or have money to splurge, these design hacks are applicable to any space and any style. So, get ready to unleash your inner designer, and let's get started. We believe that everyone deserves a beautiful and functional home, and with these tips, you'll be able to achieve just that. So, sit back, relax, and get ready to learn how to style your home like a pro. Tip 1. Play with color. The first tip we have is to play with color. Colors can greatly influence the mood and feel of a room, so it's important to choose them carefully. One way to do this is by using a color wheel to create a color scheme. Choose a base color and then select complementary or contrasting colors to add depth and interest to the room. You can also add pops of color through accessories such as throw pillows, curtains, or rugs. Tip 2. Use statement pieces. Another way to add interest to a room is by using statement pieces. These are items that are bold, unique, and draw the eye. A statement piece can be anything from a large piece of art to a vintage piece of furniture. The key is to make sure it stands out and adds personality to the space. Tip 3. Mix textures. To make a room feel more inviting and cozy, mix textures. This can be done through the use of different fabrics, such as velvet, linen, or wool. You can also mix textures through the use of different materials, such as wood, metal, or stone. Tip 4. Layer rugs. A simple way to add visual interest to a room is by layering rugs. Start with a larger neutral rug as the base and then layer a smaller rug with a bolder pattern or color on top. This adds depth to the room and creates a cozy, lived-in feel. Tip 5. Use mirrors. Mirrors are a great way to make a room feel larger and brighter. They reflect light and create the illusion of more space. Place a mirror opposite a window to reflect natural light or use multiple mirrors to create a gallery wall. Tip 6. Mix old and new. To add character to a room, mix old and new pieces. This can be done by pairing a vintage rug with a modern sofa or using antique accessories alongside contemporary artwork. Mixing old and new creates a unique and personalized space. Tip 7. Add greenery. Plants are a great way to add life and color to a room. They also have the added benefit of purifying the air. Choose plants that thrive in low-light areas, such as snake plants, pothos, or ZZ plants. You can also add a pop of color with a vase of fresh flowers. Tip 8. Create a focal point. Every room should have a focal point, something that draws the eye and anchors the space. This can be a piece of artwork, a statement piece of furniture, or even a bold color on the walls. Once you have a focal point, arrange the other elements in the room around it. Tip 9. Use trays and baskets. Trays and baskets are not only stylish but also functional. They help to organize and corral items, such as remotes, magazines, or blankets. Choose a decorative tray to display items on a coffee table or use a woven basket to store extra blankets or pillows. Tip 10. Don't forget lighting. Lighting is key to creating a warm and inviting space. Use a combination of ambient, task, and accent lighting to create a layered and inviting atmosphere. Install dimmer switches to adjust the brightness and use lamps to create cozy pockets of light. And there you have it, 10 home decor styling tips and design hacks that you should know. Remember, creating a beautiful and functional space takes time and effort, but it doesn't have to be overwhelming. Start with these tips and add your own personal touches to make your home a reflection of your unique style and personality. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more design inspiration and tips. Don't forget to leave a comment below and let us know which tip was your favorite or if you have any additional tips to share. We'll see you in the next video.